awan Neha Children Hospital, awan Cimdawai di Dr. Arpita. Di dawai tang sebenarnya ngala armet ya langsung tu ba ini kita dawai jadi Dr. Arpita itu kita rekam ya di tang sebenarnya yang ada don menu-menu di Papua penuh Cimdawai di Dr. Arpita ya sawan Neha Children Hospital di Dr. Arpita IVF Dr. Arpita ikawan sisin sebenarnya gawati
Hakani ke jingya kendua jong ke sarkar Meghalaya bat Assam. Ya ke Meghalaya la yalam da menteri rang ba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma hak baleran lang menteri ke kam jong okai pertai ke jelau ba polling do chief secretary ke jelau ba DP walang bat kiwe officer. Karbai ke sarkar Assam dalam kemat do menteri rang ba Himanta Biswa Sarma ki menteri sarkar bat kiwe officer. Hak bayadai bat kamat jong jing shlai ha Guwahati Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentep ba baro artli ki jela ke menjur ban pen khamti ha North Eastern Space Application Center NESAC ban penlong ya ke jing wat benia ha ke ban le ya ke satellite imaging ya ke jaka klaw ke jing tu jong ko bat ke jing lang jong ko bat ban IT ke kai pot apok klai benai. Hadian kania an sakarpat ya ke IIT Roorkee ban pihak ya kini ke jinglap bat ban syem ya kisin jam ban lak ban pembet ya kini ke jing bat kebalak ban pentrekam habro artli ki jela. Ha kebedai bagi jaka ke beran hapdeng ke jing ya ka japut menteri rang ba ula pentep ba hapok jong ka khat santerik unai lar banwan. Wan sebut no yo mau put jong ki henre tli ki jaka beladap be penbet bat beladap benia soy ke soskular. Kiladan kat tu kan jaka ha gijang batarabari ya ke badan kam menpenbet ne ke bentar ke jing mentoi ke Meghalaya. Ha syua ban penyeng ya ki mau put. Ha ke bedai bat ke Kulsi Multipurpose Irrigation bat ke Hydroelectric Power Project kini ki artli ki jela kiliatai bat menjur ban ya lang ya project bat kan dai hadian beladap ben slok syua bat kipat bah.
Assam and Meghalaya in the past have demonstrated that we are very open to discuss different issues. Problems will always be there. Challenges will always be there. What is important is that we must discuss and try and find solutions to the problems. Today is another example of that commitment that is shown both by the Assam government and the government of Meghalaya. As stated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, when it comes to the project of Kulsi, it's a project which is clearly a win-win situation for both the states. Whether it is power production, whether it is irrigation, or whether it's development of tourism. In all three fronts, and many more, both the states will benefit. And hence, we have decided, with the condition, of course, that the people living in those areas will be taken into confidence. Discussions will be held with them, and we'll find a way forward on how we could take this project ahead. And today, in principle, both the governments have decided that we will work together as also a symbol of our Assam and Meghalaya friendship, that we will try and move this project forward, and in principle we have decided that the work will starting with consultation with the people living in those areas. Regarding the issue of the floods in Assam, it's a major concern. As we know that in the last many days and months also we have seen that flood has been an issue in Assam, and rain also is playing, of course, a very critical role in terms of climate change. So the challenges are much more than what was before. And hence it is important now that both the states must put their heads together and find a solution. While Assam faces a challenge of the floods that are coming in, Meghalaya also has got its concerns in terms of the different economic activities, livelihood activities, and overall economic growth, as mentioned by the Assam Chief Minister. And hence, how could we work together so that we are able to find a solution to minimize the impact of the flood in the city of Guwahati, and yet at the same time be able to address the different concerns that are there for the people of Meghalaya. we have decided to work together. We have decided to approach NESAC to do a detailed study in terms of the entire satellite imaging, whether it is of the different forest area, whether it's different water flowing, whether it's different areas of water logging. Once this entire detailed study is done in the next 3 months, we will then approach agencies like the IIT Roorkee to further then break that analysis into actual steps that we could take to find a solution that would be able to implement for both the states and be beneficial for both the states, vis-a-vis reduce the flood problems in Guwahati to a large extent, and at the same time take care of the concerns that are there for the state of Meghalaya, especially when it comes to the overall economic development. So I'm very happy with this way forward, and as always, we are all committed to make this. On the issue of border, as mentioned by Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that we had signed a historic agreement and MOU for the 6 areas of differences, and now that we are very close to actually finalizing the pillars, small issues are there which need to be resolved, which we have discussed in detail today, and I'm happy to inform you that most likely by the 15th of August, or rather before the 15th of August, we will be able to resolve and finalize the actual pillars in the different, in the 5 areas of differences before the 15th of August, which, as I said, will be a major milestone and another strong testament of the friendship between Assam state, Assam government and the government of Meghalaya. And I once again thank the Chief Minister of Assam, his entire cabinet and his officials for having invited us, and also for taking the lead in ensuring that issues like these can be resolved, and once again reaffirm our commitment to always work together to find solutions so that these difficult problems can be resolved once and for all. Thank you very much.
Regarding the border dispute, as you know that in presence of Honorable Union Home Minister, we have resolved 6 disputed sites out of 12. Now, most important thing is to see that boundary pillar is erected in the places, that is the 6 places where we both states agreed to resolve the boundary dispute. Out of that, there is 1 or 2 small pending requests from Government of Meghalaya. We have said that this request will be considered by us and will inform Government of Meghalaya within a week time. There is some readjustment is required in Tarabari and Gijang, and equal portion of land will be provided to Assam, and some village will be adjusted in favor of Meghalaya. So those small 2 issues will resolve within a week, and thereafter we are confident that we will be able to erect boundary pillar in 5 disputed sites before 15 August. Regarding 1 disputed site of Pilinkata, although we have agreement, but there is little interpretation issue. So our both the deputy commissioner in both sides will sit down again and will try to resolve that dispute also. Regarding other 6 disputed sites, we have decided to keep talking and keep working, and we'll see that this remaining 6 disputed sites also get resolved within a short period of time. However, we have not laid any time frame. We want to discuss in a in an environment of mutual trust, friendship and confidence. We'll keep on discussing on that. Regarding Tulsi Power Project, today we have in principle decided that Government of Assam and Government of Meghalaya will jointly work on that project, will jointly commission that project. That is a 55 megawatt of power. However, before actually going ahead, the opinion of local people is very important, because there will be some dislocation. So Meghalaya and Assam will talk to the local people, will take complete support from them, will take total confidence from them, and thereafter both Assam and Meghalaya will jointly go ahead with the project. This will be a project of 55 megawatts, and a huge area of Assam will be benefited on irrigation. So power project, Government of Assam and Meghalaya will do jointly. Irrigation project will be completely on Government of Assam. Regarding the urban flood in Guwahati, Government of Assam has shown a detailed presentation to Government of Meghalaya, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. We have shown that how we are getting huge water from the Khanapara area. There is a need to resolve it. Government of Meghalaya has also of the opinion that yes, Guwahati's issue should be resolved, but at the same time, interest of Meghalaya should also be protected. So after threadbare discussion, we have decided that for a proper satellite making, for proper satellite image preparation, we will approach Northeast Space Application Center. Within 3 months, they will give us a complete satellite map, and thereafter we will together approach IIT Roorkee to give us some solution, so that Meghalaya's concern is also addressed and Guwahati's problem is also addressed. So first, NASEC will make the complete satellite mapping, some solution, some way, and then these satellite maps will be referred to IIT Roorkee, and IIT Roorkee will give us a final solution. So these three issues we have discussed, and we come to some kind of mutual understanding today.